Hello and welcome to this first video tutorial where we will analyze how to register within our XChief broker and how to create a personal area. First, we're going to head over to the button that says Register. Once the whole page has loaded, we'll head here to put our full name. In the country, you'll put the country where you're currently living. Let's see if we can find it here. And then we'll put your phone number. If you've entered a different country, remember that the phone number must always be associated with where you're currently residing. We're going to put our phone number here. Lastly, we'll provide an email address. Remember that it has to be your primary email address, so you can follow up on it later. Once you send this information, a confirmation number will be sent to your email so you can enter it and continue with the registration process. We click where it says Terms and Conditions of the Client Agreement and Processing of My Personal Data. In doing this, we're acknowledging that we agree to all the terms and conditions. And if you wish to thoroughly read what you're accepting, click on Client Agreement. If you've been referred by someone, you can enter the referral code here, or if not, simply press Continue. Once you have registered, remember that a code will be sent to your email that you must enter now. So, we go to our email and copy the code. The confirmation code will look something like this. We just copy it, come back here, paste the code, and press Confirm. Once you've completed the registration process, remember that you need to open a trading account, which I'll show you how. Our broker offers different types of accounts: the Send, Classic Plus, Direct FX, and X Prime accounts. Each of these accounts has its unique features. If you start comparing, probably the best account you can open is the Direct FX account because it gives you almost all the available options. Additionally, it allows you to choose from the best leverages. It allows you to get the welcome bonuses, the no deposit bonuses. Everything is available with this account here. So if you're going to open your first account, then in this example, we're also going to choose Direct FX. For the trading platform, it depends whether you're more accustomed to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In my case, I would choose MetaTrader 5. For the account type, as we already saw, we'll go with Direct FX. For the position accounting system, remember that you have two types. The next thing we're going to choose is the position accounting system, and here you have two options, hedging or netting. If you choose hedging, what you'll be doing is a hedging position, where you can open several positions in the same asset. On the other hand, if you choose netting, what you will do in this case is that you will be able to open a single position in an asset, and all the positions in that asset will average out. Therefore, if you wanted, for example, to make a purchase in the pair euro-dollar, but tomorrow you want to make a sale, what will happen in this type of position accounting system is that you will have to close that purchase to open the sale and vice versa. In account currency, you can choose between the dollar, Great Britain pound, or euro. I personally use the dollar because I'm more used to this asset, and here we have leverage. We have to be a bit cautious here. If you already have experience and understand leverage correctly, you can choose one that is over 100. But if it's your first time, you're just starting to trade, I recommend that you choose the lowest leverages like 1 to 10 or 1 to 100. In my case, I'll choose 1 to 500 and will click Open Account. Once you've completed the entire registration process, you'll have all the necessary data available here for you to log in to your MetaTrader trading account or to make any other type of modification to your account in the personal area. If you already want to enter your MetaTrader, here's your username so you can log in, and below you have the password so you can log in. We also have our password here, and I recommend that you change it as soon as possible. We go to sign into personal area, and once we're in our personal area, we go to profile, click on settings, and here we'll change our password. We'll put in the password that they gave us here. If you forgot or didn't copy it to the home screen, remember that you also have it in your email. We click enter the password, and in new password, we put the new password that we want to enter. I'm going to enter it here. You re-enter your new password, and once you have everything ready, click confirm. It will ask you for a confirmation of the code that arrived in your email. You go to your email, enter the code, copy the code, and click confirm. And that's the end of this video. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial.